right? There are three types mode of heat transfer. Okay, there are three types of heat transfer. First is called conduction, and second is called convection. Second is convection, and third is radiation. Okay, so in our syllabus you will get a maximum question based on conduction and radiation. No question based on this convection. Okay, that is important, conduction and radiation. Right, one by one I will explain here. Conduction I will start one by one. Conduction dot, right? Okay. See, suppose I have a solid object. Any object in this metal, okay? That is solid metal. So how many molecules are inside? Infinite molecules. Okay. And suppose I want to keep just I want to provide heat from this. Suppose particle number 1, here particle number 2, particle number 3, particle number 4, okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. Suppose I have kept one heat source. What do you want to keep here? Any source. Suppose due to this lamp, okay, due to this lamp, that point number 1 will what? Observe it now. First point number 1 will get heat. Next point number 2 will get heat. Point number 3 will get heat. My question is everywhere. Means heat is flowing or not?
Yes.
Heat flowing. Which particle will observe more heat? First. Okay. And here now it is observe less heat. Okay. So here is temperature more. Point 1 or point 8? Point 1 more heat and more temperature. Here point 8 less heat. So write in conduction. In conduction, molecules are vibrating and they will transfer energy. See, I have doubts here. Now, suppose I have provided heat or energy from point number 1. So, energy is flowing, energy is moving from 1 to last. Suppose that. So, in this case, molecule also moving or not moving? Means, are molecules also moving or not moving?
Molecules are
Not moving, na? Just all molecules will get in its position. Na? See, suppose here how many 10 benches, suppose 10. Suppose first, second, third, and I have given one chocolate or box, chocolate box, and I want to tell, okay, now you can take one and sip now. So you are not moving now, just you are sipping now, back side. So it means molecule also here. Suppose I have kept one line from heat source. So due to this, you will get more energy, and first you will observe some energy, and every energy will shift. Means you will that energy will move now, back side. Similarly, second energy also some energy will observe and remaining it will transfer to third. Same thing third also that this molecule will observe and remaining it will transfer to next. Got my point? So molecules are not moving. Molecules are not moving. Okay, molecules are not moving now. Just all molecules currently in its position. Just they are transferring, not getting. So if one question present. In case of conduction, molecules also moving or not?
Not
not moving. Just they are vibrating. You know one thing, see, I am telling here 1 and 2 now, point 1 and 2. I have a provided energy now. So all molecules will get more energy, and due to more energy, vibration more or less, more vibration. Got my point? So all will vibrate fastly. So they are not moving, just they are oscillating. Okay?
Okay.
This right.
Completed.
Completed. Correctly now?
Yes.
State. There are two types of state. Okay, first write variable state. Steady state.
In this conduction, there are two types of.
No. That is different now. Conduction I told now, in case of conduction, energy will transfer from one molecule to another molecule. In that condition, molecules are not moving. Okay? Just they will vibrate. Now there are two types of state. First is a variable state, right? I will explain. And second is steady state. Now first, right, what is variable state? See, suppose I have one solid means rod here, solid metal. In your syllabus only metal percent. Okay, solid. Suppose you can take iron. Okay, solid. Okay, iron. So here how many molecules tell? Many molecules. That is first, that is second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. And see, I have kept here one heat source, lamp or anything. Okay, heat source. Due to this heat will provide. I will tell at point 1. Any temperature tell. Temperature value means 30, 40, 60. Initially.
30.
Suppose you want to tell here 30 now. Suppose 30. Here more than 30 or less than 30?
Less than 30.
So wait, what I'm telling now? Actually I have 6 points now. So I want to tell approximately 30. Here now tell
28.
20 suppose. Here now 10.
10.
Here suppose 5 degree. Wait. After some time, suppose this is the t equals to 1 second. Okay, t equals to 1 second. After some time, suppose t equals to 2 seconds. Here temperature 30 or more than 30?
More
than 30.
Here more than 20 or less than 20?
More
than 20.
This means here you will tell us more than 30 means suppose 40. Okay. Here now sir 30 suppose. Here now 20. Here 10. After suppose t equals to 3 seconds. Here
50.
50. Here sir
40.
40. Here
30.
Here
20.
20. So it is not up to infinite times. After some time now, actually, what is meaning of temperature increasing? It means that point number 1 now means observing too much energy. What my heat now? Not getting. Here that molecule observe here energy 30 suppose. Here now more. Here now more. So this molecule also maximum now means one level is limit. Are you want to take chapati? So you cannot take 10, 20 now. Okay, you have limit now. Okay, 1 chapati, 2 chapati, 3 chapati. Now sir enough. Not getting. So here also after some time, suppose t equals to I am telling suppose 1 hour. Okay. What happened in this case now? Temperature here now suppose I am telling temperature increasing or decreasing? Sir, increasing. Here suppose here I am telling 100 degrees Celsius. Assume point number 1 got 100 degrees Celsius. Okay. And this 2, here 3, 4, 5. Up see here now, here also temperature increasing or decreasing? Increasing. Here suppose got 70 degrees Celsius. And here now suppose 50. Here now 40. So that is t equals to 1 hour now. Now suppose t equals to 2 hour also. T equals to 2 hour. What happened? Here now temperature not increasing. Constant now.
Why it reaches its
Saturation. Saturation what now? Now no. It means here what is temperature? Sir 100 now. Here now also tell sir 70. Here now 50. Here now 40. It means saturation. You tell why this heat is flowing first due to this heat now. Point 1 is observing energy now. And after some time it is observing energy. Observing. After some time this point number 1 got saturation point. Not point number 1. All points got saturation point. Saturation is stable now. It does not want other energy now.
Which for only 2 hours it will not.
No, after suppose you want to heat now. So initially temperature will move fastly. After some time, no. It's like slowly.
No.
Not getting. It means all molecules wants to absorb energy. After 1 hour, 2 hour, all will have got energy.
Okay.
Saturation point. Not getting. It means this state is called what? Steady state. And this state is called variable. Why variable?
Because it is changing.
Changing na your temperature. Their temperature not changing. So constant now. Why constant?
Because
Till why constant?
it is in steady state.
Steady. Arey, all points, all molecules of already in our saturation state. All points got energy. They will not want another extra energy now. Not getting. They don't want now. Or got my point. So this state is called steady or variable? Steady. See, 1 hour here molecules I check here suppose 100 degrees Celsius. After 2 hours 100. After 3 hours also 100. After 4 hours also.
100.
But initially t equals 0 or t equals 1 second, temperature increasing. Okay, temperature increasing. After 1 hour or 2 hours, temperature constant now. Not getting. So which state that is a variable state. In case of variable state, temperature increasing or constant? Sir, increasing. In case of steady state, constant. Got. So see, first like this diagram. In case of steady, that is saturation state. Now, what is temperature here?
100.
What is temperature here?
70.
It's decreasing order. I think decreasing. I am asking here 100 now. Here also 100 possible or not? Means everywhere 100.
Yeah. No.
Not possible. Everywhere 100 equal.
It is constant.
Heat will
Not
flow. And heat will flow from higher to lower now. And heat will flow from higher to lower now.
Yes, sir.
I see, you are not getting. See here. Suppose I want to provide 1 joule energy here. 1 joule here. In case of variable.
Variable state.
So which molecule will absorb energy? Sir,
That's
point
not
1. Then 2, 3, 4. But in case of here, suppose I want to provide 1 joule energy now. No one will absorb energy here. No one will absorb because already they got saturation. Not getting it. Are you not getting it now?
Okay, sir.
Suppose you want to apply energy here, 1 joule. No one will absorb energy.
Yes.
All are saturation state. 100 not check.
Yes, already there.
But here suppose I want to apply provide energy, all will absorb na some portion, some percentage. Right? Heat is going now. Heat is going, but this molecule just transferring. You have provided heat to point number 1 now. So this point number 1 will give to point number 2. This point number 1 will not achieve, will not observe. All will transfer to 2, 2 will transfer to 3.
Okay.
So due to this the heat will flow. Not getting.
Yes, sir.
Completed? Yes, sir. Right? In steady state, here check it out. I don't know after t equals to 1 hour, point number 1 has achieved 100 now, 100. Point 2 has 80, point 3 has 70. So 2 hours also 100, 80, 70. 3 hours also 100, 80, 70. Means temperature variable or constant.
Constant.
See, in case of steady state, temperature of each cross section or each molecule now, constant or variable? Constant. And in case of variable state,
Variable.
correct. meaning of this? Change in temperature respect to x at a constant time. Now, see, I want to draw this. Here x equal to suppose 0 now. Along x now this is. Here x equals suppose 1. Here x equals to 2. Here x equals to 3. Okay. And see, that is t equal to okay. Here I am writing t equal to 0. T equals to 1. T equals to 2. See. Here what you tell then? What is meant this? Temperature difference upon distance respect to time. You can write this thing, otherwise you will forget. What is meaning of? Right. Change of temperature with respect to what? Change of temperature with respect to time or position? Position, na? Yeah, position that is. With respect to position. And what is meaning of this T? At time. Temperature difference upon position at time. At given time. At a given time. And what is meaning of this tell?
Change of
Temperature
with respect to time at given position.
Position. So see, that is 0 or that is 0.
This is 7 hours.
I don't know 1 hour 100, 2 hours also 100, 3 hours also.
100.
So I think 100 minus 100 is 0 na? Anytime, anytime. Anytime, anytime. Not getting? First right, then right.
Right now.
Here 0, here also 0. Which is correct or which is incorrect?
First one.
First one incorrect now. Why?
Because it is variable.
I see. What is not there? What is this?
Change
Change in temperature at position. Change temperature with respect to position at given time. You tell if this will be 0. What is this? Every year same temperature, na? Suppose here temperature T1, here T2, here T3, here T4. So what is meaning of DT tell? Take this 1 and 2. Then what is meaning of DT? So T2 minus
T1.
not getting.
Yes, sir.
What is
Then
meaning?
it will be 0.
See, DT suppose you want 0 means at this point 1, 2 equal temperature, na?
Yes.
If equal temperature, it will flow or not? Not flow, na there. At equal temperature, it will not flow, na? It will flow from higher to
Lower.
so it will flow or not?
No.
Not flow. That is correct or incorrect? Incorrect.
Incorrect.
Not getting?
Yes.
That is incorrect. And this is see, what is the meaning of this? Temperature difference. Change temperature respect to
Time.
wait. I am telling you, suppose take at given position means how many variable to here? So this is constant now. At given position, you have fixed position, na x. Suppose you want to take x equals 2 here now. x2 fixed. What you want? Delta t upon is dt upon dt na. dt means here t3. Suppose after 1 hour, what I told here, suppose 80 degrees Celsius. After 2 hours also 80. After 3 hours also 80. So what is happening here now? What is temperature difference? 0. With respect to time, na? I don't know after 1 hour constant now.
Yes, sir.
And in case of steady, they will not want to observe. They did not observe. They will not observe. It means suppose this point t equals to 1 hour. This point has energy means temperature 100. T equals to 1 hour also 100. 2 hours also 100. 3 hours also. What is temperature difference now? 0. With respect to time. Any time you can take 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours. So this value you get 0. What happened? Just remember. Are you go out or not?
Yes, sir.
Tell once again this. Why 0 tell?
Because no change in temperature with respect to
Time now. You want to take 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 102 days. Now temperature will not increase. They go out of steady state now. They go out saturation now. Saturation. So temperature will not increase now. Temperature constant. So delta T will be now 0. Okay. Completed. Remind me, I will give assignment. This
Sorry. What is it?
Nothing, sir. Nothing.
okay. Write amount of heat Regulated formula, no? I will not explain. This is the basic thing. Regulated formula. See. Here, that is one conductor, means one metal percent. Heat is flowing. See, heat of flowing from this point A to B. So, where is temperature more? At A or B?
A.
A more. Okay. Suppose this is a conductor length L and cross section area given A meter square. Okay. And suppose here temperature T1. Here temperature T1 at point A. Here temperature T2. So heat is flowing, na here. Heat flowing, na.
Yes, sir.
From A to B or B to A?
A to B.
A to B. So write that heat formula. T equals to, that is also called heat flow. This Q, na. I don't know Q. I don't know Q. Then how can I write? Then
Right O
this is O.
and line.
हाँ
Q equals to Q directly proportional to area temperature difference upon length into T. Okay. What is this?
directly
So
proportional
remove this. So we'll get one
constant
So that now Q equals to Ka T1 minus T2 into small t upon length. That is the heat flow formula through any conductor. Okay. What is A here?
Cross
Cross
section
area.
area.
What is L?
Length.
Length. What is T1?
Time.
That time. See, can it put here T2 minus T1?
Yes. Yes.
T2 minus T1.
Yes.
Suppose energy flowing from because always T1 more, na? T1 more. So T1 minus T, na? So right. See, tell one by what is Q this one? That is heat flow. That is heat flow.
K is constant.
K constant, na? Let's call it conductivity. I will write to it. What is area?
Cross section area.
So suppose here radius given R. How can we write area? Radius given R. Radius. What is area of this cross section?
Radius means 2 pi.
This area, this radius R. Pi R square. Okay. Pi R square, na? If R is radius. Okay. What is T1? Higher temperature or lower temperature? Higher temperature. What is T2? Lower temperature. What is small t?
Time.
Average temperature, sir. What is small t?
Time.
Time. What is L of?
Length.
Length of conductor. Okay. Right? That K is called thermal conductivity. It depends on material. Why? So suppose you have iron material, so different conductivity. You have suppose ice, so different conductivity. One thing. Due this you are getting disturbance. No. What is K? Thermal conductivity, na? Conductivity.
Yes.
See, many times now asked directly what is the unit of K, right? That is a joule upon meter second degree Celsius. Got my point? And see, what is this value? This joule upon second is what? Power. Energy per time power, na?
Yes, sir.
So power, what is unit term? Sir, watt.
What?
Watt per meter degree Celsius.
Yes.
Both correct. Both correct. Okay? Both correct. Heat current. That's also called a rate of flow. Okay, heat current that is also called rate of flow of heat. It is denoted by capital H. Okay, it is denoted by capital H, right? So see here now, this H na H, this called the rate of heat, means rate of heat flow, Q by T, or I find Q by T, first formula. Okay. Here now, what is the initial Q value? This heat flow formula tell KA T1 minus T2 small t upon L. L na here. See this T I want to shift that here. Write down na. That is L. This T na I want to shift here back here upon. Not getting. So tell how can I write?
Q by
T equals to KA T1 minus T2 upon, that is called H. And what is H? Heat current. Actually, your NEET exam is given what is rate of flow of heat. Heat rate, no? Rate means result time. So rate of heat flow you can calculate by this formula. H equals to KA T1 minus T2 by L. What is K here? Conductivity. What is A? Cross area. What is L?
length.
What is T1? Temperature. T2? H? Heat current or rate of heat flow?
Rate of heat flow.
Both correct. Right. See here that is Q now. This one iron Q. Here temperature what given?
100.
Here.
0.
So I think heat will flow from right to left.
Left to right.
Is it right this side or that side?
This side.
Because here more temperature. Always heat will flow higher to.
Lower.
So we have to calculate rate of heat flow is Q or H.
Q.
Q or H.
H.
H and H rate. H. Calculate H now. Always remember rate means Q or H. H rate means H and heat means suppose you can calculate heat flow. Which formula? Q equals to. Suppose given heat flow calculate heat flow. Which formula? Heat flow, not rate. Heat flow. Q. A T1 minus T2 small t upon L. And suppose given rate of heat flow.
Q by T.
And suppose given heat rate calculate.
Q by T.
Q by T na. This is remember. Heat rate means H. Rate means time, not time. H and heat means Q. And I calculate. Till I am writing here, how can I write up? Hey, I found this formula tell. What bit? KA minus T2 upon length. T.
Into T there, sir.
Hey, H nahi hai.
Oh, okay.
Say K value
800.
800 into
100 by
area. Area is what? You got area means that's cube na cube. Okay, cube. What is area here now? 10 into 10. 100 centimeter. See, 10 by 100 into 10 by 100 into what is temperature difference? Minus 0 100 upon what is length? 10 centimeter है ना 10 by 100 wait 10 this will go up na 100 and this 100 cancel out this cancel out this cancel out
Wait, sir.
very good okay timing now what time now 9:30 completed see so I am writing now summary here H formula then what is H formula this remember that's Q by T okay next H equals to another formula tell K A delta T by L na next the third formula H equals to dq upon dt rate of heat flow na okay H equals to next write K A dt by dl temperature gradient. Anyone there what is the notation? This what we can denote this one? This is a dt by dx, okay, or dt by dl. Anyone there what is the meaning of this one? dt by dl? Change of temperature respect to length. Who told time? अरे length या length x position that position. See now that is one rod now. We are already given sir position. Position na? How many molecules? Many molecules. This a point molecule. What is position? Zero. And x equals zero. Not getting this x equals zero na here. Zero. Here suppose x equals to 1. Here x equals to 2. Here x equals to 3. So if you are moving from x equals 0 to x equals 3 from left to right na. So temperature is decreasing or increasing? Decreasing means down or up? Down. So these types of you will get the graph. Okay? Not getting. So this point has higher temperature or lower temperature? This higher. That is called T1 suppose. Now this has T2. Temperature decreasing na here?
Yes, sir.
Check here. Okay. Linearly. Linear, that is linear. Line of curve this is. This line of curve or hyperbolas, what is this? Line linearly decreasing. Okay? Remember this.
Temperature is?
Decreasing. And this is decrease in linearly. See tell, if a length of a conductor increase, length of conductor increase, so temperature decrease or increase?
Decrease.
I have decrease now. Decrease now. Length suppose I have to connect in this part. See, I have two types of rod. First is L equals to 1 meter, and second L equals to 1000 meter. In which case heat will flow more? 1000 now.
Yes.
Yes. One thing, temperature. Okay, here temperature suppose T1. Okay, here temperature T1, here temperature T2, here temperature T1, here temperature T2. In which case temperature difference more?
Second one.
Second case or first case?
Second case. Difference what?
I am telling here temperature, suppose assume here temperature value 100. Here what you want to assume?
30.
30. Very good. Suppose here 100. Here temperature more than 30 or less than 30?
Less than 30.
Less than, no? Why? Because here less molecules not 10 molecules. Here many molecules. So it will take time now to reach at this point. So it will take too much time now here. So temperature and length both directly or inversely? Inversely now. Just think this thing. If length more, so temperature here got faster or slowly? Slowly. So temperature less, it means length more. Sure. Temperature less nahi hai. It means length more. Right. ये 8th 9th class है. You have completed 8th 9th class. 8th class 9th class. That will come here.
No.
So there one current electricity. Ohm's law. V equals to I.
Yes, sir.
Ohm's law. You know V equals to I.
Yes, sir.
That is called electric current. And here what I told H is
Inversely proportional.
H is what? Heat current. H is heat current there. And that Ohm's law is called electric current.
Correct.
So both in analog I am writing here. 2-3 words. Can you read now?
No, sir.
Tomorrow going?
Yes.
Analogy. What is the meaning of analogy? Similarities. So you know, first is heat current. Heat current is what formula? Heat current.
K.
Heat current.
K A T1 minus
It's not the rate of flow.
A rate of flow of heat, na?
Q by T.
What is heat value? Heat current value. What is formula? Tell heat current. अच्छा tell now further. Q equals to H equals to Q by T equals to Ka.
T1 minus T2.
It is denoted by small I. Now you know this thing. Small I or capital I? Both
Small
right?
I,
Small I. Capital also correct. Capital also correct. I. It is denoted by see why electric current will flow. Suppose I have wire now. Why electric current will flow? Due to potential difference. You know one word potential, na?
Yes.
Delta V or V, na? V equals to I. Suppose I am telling why current will flow. Why current not? Why electric current will flow? Due to
Delta V.
potential difference. That is called. Just remember 12th. I will not teach this thing in 12th class. Potential difference. I will put it here. Stay here, na? 12th.
No. No.
All is gone.
Yes, we'll stay here.
Potential difference. Okay, upon. What is this?
Resistance.
Resistance. That is a resistance. That some restriction. Resistance. It will oppose.
Motion. Movement.
It will oppose the motion of molecules. Resistance. Okay. And once I tell you now, what is the heat current denoted by? Capital H. That. So what is the capital H formula?
Delta T.
Means here tell H equals to what you are telling?
Delta T by R.
K E K A delta T na
delta T
by
by
L. See, can we shift this value down? What will we get? L by K. Wait. Suppose I am asking why heat current will flow due to temperature difference. Why heat current will flow?
Due to temperature difference.
Suppose temperature 180, so it will flow now.
Yes.
Suppose but both the point have same temperature. See here, that temperature 100 and that temperature was 100. It will flow or not?
No, it will not.
Why not flow?
It will transfer.
Same temperature. So can I tell you, suppose here 100, so now 80 suppose. So due to temperature difference, heat will flow. That is called heat current. Not getting?
Yes, sir.
And that due to potential difference, your current will flow. That current is called electric current. See, here I equals to delta E by R now. What is R there? Sir, resistance. Here see, that is also I, no means current, that is current. That current equals to delta T by, that is called resistance, but that is thermal resistance. Right. That is a C. What is this radius?
Resistance.
That is called electric resistance, electrical resistance. Electrical resistance. And now that is called thermal. Why thermal? Heat, na here. That is called thermal resistance. It is noted. See, what is RTH? Thermal resistance. What is value of this RTH?
L by
L by K. What is L here?
length.
A is
Area.
K is
Constant.
constant. Here also there is one thing, point number 3, that R electrical, that formula you will get in 12th, rho L by A. Okay, that is noted here now.
Okay.
See, R na here R is what?
Electric resistance.
This is direct. That depends on L and A na there. So R and L both that you are seeing.
Directly.
If L more, so R also.
More.
If A more, A, R also.
More. Less.
Less.
Inversely. That is inversely.
Here see L more, R,
More.
A more, A.
Less.
Here also R na directly proportional L, directly proportional L. Here R, A, and that is called conductivity, and that is called resistivity. I will get into it if you will stay there.
This way.
These are right resistivity. This is called
Conductivity.
see what is L by K?
Circular.
So can I write RTH? RTH? R. Why? Alright, this is L by K is resistance, na here?
Thermal resistance. Yes,
RTH. So what is the RTH value?
L
Delta T by
L
H. Calculate thermal resistance. Both equal. Just like here delta T by R na. Current. What is this one?
Heat.
Current. Heat current equals to temperature difference upon resistance. Electric current equals to voltage difference upon. So what is this RTH? This resistance. So this sit down and this will sit down. Exchange delta T by H. Okay.
Great, sir.
Combination of combinations.
Combination of conduction. in series and parallel. First write series combination. See, in in case of series combination, suppose I have given here two resistor, that is R1 and R2. So what is the R equivalent value? R1 plus R2 or 1 by R1, 1 by R2?
R1 plus R2.
R1 plus R2. Okay. See what I told here? That is not resistor na. Here conductor, not two conductor. Two conductor. So that is a one conductor. Okay. And here now that is another conductor. Both are present in a series or parallel?
Series.
Series na, because both current na here like that. So here see, suppose that is given temperature T1 and here temperature given T2. Okay. And this length given L. Here length given L1. Here length given L2. Okay. And what is K1, K2? Conductivity. Conductivity I told na. This conductivity also present in case of conduction, conductivity. Due to conductivity, your heat will flow. Okay. Conductivity. So here suppose temperature T1%. Okay. See that what is the heat? Suppose given H. Okay, H1. What is heat? What is H1 tell? H1 is what? Rate. Heat rate. Q by time.
Rate of heat flow.
Rate of heat flow. No? Here what is rate of heat flow?
H1.
H1. So this is moving. This is the flowing across this first metal, first conductor. That is conductor first, and that is conductor second. You tell here what is heat rate? H1 across this conductor 1. What about conductor 2? Heat is same or different?
Different.
You are not getting my point. I am telling this H1 what rate of heat flow. Here what is rate of heat flow? H1. So same heat will flow or different heat flow?
Different heat will
Why different heat flow? Same heat flow. Suppose you want to provide here 1 liter water. So same water will flow here. Here also you have idea what is current, suppose I na. Here current I or I2 or different? I current, same current na here. Same current na here.
Yes, sir.
What is this I?
Initial.
Electric current. Arey,
Yes,
what is
sir.
I?
Electric
What is
current.
H?
Heat rate of heat flow.
Heat current.
Heat current na. So here electric current same or different?
Same.
Here heat current also?
Same.
It means in this case also H1 or H2 are different.
Same.
Same means H1. What my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see what I am telling. I told previously that delta H equals to, what is H formula?
H equals to Q by T.
H equals to
Q by T.
temperature difference.
Delta T.
T1 minus. Here what is temperature? Here temperature what? Sir T1. Here
T2.
here what is temperature? Different or same? Different, means less than T1 and more than
T2.
not 40.
Yes, sir.
So here I am telling, I assume that is temperature that is called theta. That is called junction temperature. That is junction, railway junction.
Yes, sir.
That is junction called junction temperature, right? So many question you will get what is the junction temperature. How many junction here? One junction. Common point junction.
Okay, sir.
So here tell how can I write H value? H1 tell
Delta
H1
1 minus 3. T1 minus T2.
theta. Theta,
Theta. Yes, sir.
upon. Next tell down.
By
By
L.
R here R1 telling na R1. Here telling sir. Arey H equals to delta T by R na.
Yes, sir.
R thermal. So R1 suppose. And what is H2 value?
minus theta.
Theta minus
Theta minus T2.
T2 upon R2. And what is R1 value? L1 upon
H.
K1 upon.
Yes, sir.
And what is R2 value?
L2 upon K2.
K2
A2.
First write this thing. First, second, third, fourth. there?
We don't have
Heat transfer.
matter.
Ah, too much big thing here. Many small concept. Very
So enough.
only one thing. Only 5 minutes. After I will tell one story.
Nothing is going on.
Series.
Series, huh? What is R equivalent? Sir, R is R equals to what?
R equals to resistance.
L by.
K.
So R equivalent we can write what? Sir, L equivalent upon K equivalent into A equivalent equals to R1. What is R1? A1 by A1 plus A2. And I think this type of that question, see
Yes, sir.
here what is area? Area suppose here A. Here also area A. Here also area A, na? Same na area.
Yes.
Okay, and what is length here? See L1. Here
L2.
what is equivalent length? L1 plus L2, na? Net length.
L1 plus
Net length is what? L1 plus L2. See. So what is the L equivalent over 10?
L1 plus L2.
L1 plus L2. And that is now K equivalent into what is A equivalent?
A only.
A only, na? Arey, this A equivalent A, na?
Yes.
Because you want to combine both, still finally also area same na here.
Yes.
Tell area same.
A.
हाँ area now equals to here till sir L1 by K1. Here also A na here. Here plus L2 by K2 into A cancel out. And L1 plus L2. What am I doing? How can you write this K equivalent L? C. Here C and then here. L1 plus L2 upon K equivalent. That gone now. A gone.
Yes, sir. K equivalent only K.
K equivalent equals to here what is value? L1 by
Only.
K1 plus L2 by K2. See what I am doing? This K equivalent now I want to write. This will shift here and that all will shift down.
Okay.
This K equivalent shift here and that all will shift down. So how do I write till
L1
plus L2 upon L1 upon K1 plus
L2 K2
equals to
K equivalent.
that you have to remember formula. Okay? Then what is formula? And one thing, see, what is okay? Write this first, and then tell me. Enough now, enough.